the home screen of the application, and it will pretty much scan your device for any PDF, any documents that you have on your device, and you pretty much can open any one of them using this application here. You can also go at the top here to pretty much search for the documents. As you can see here, you can pop any documents option and also other files as well, which you can edit. So if I tap on the three lines over here, you can see scanner option here where you can scan barcodes and so forth. You have the recycle bin. If you have deleted anything, you can go into that option there and pretty much restore the files that you have deleted. And at the top there, this is pretty much where you get your subscription from this application here. Tap on the upgrade option, and once you tap on the upgrade option here, you'll be greeted with your subscription page. So as you can see here, this is their subscription page and pretty much what they offer. Each of them come with their pros and cons, so do make sure you look at each of them. You have the pro, you have the AI option, and plus you have the pro plus the AI option. So do make sure you look at what to be getting for each of these, so you can know the pros and cons. As you can see here, the comparison for each subscription. So that's really pretty much it for that there, and they do offer a 3 days free trial. And if you're looking to test out this application, do make sure you grab the 3 days free trial so you can test out their pros features. So that's really pretty much it for that there. Let's say you do have a PDF file on your device, you can either tap on the open file, and it will pretty much look for it. You can redirect it to your file manager option, and you just search for it if you're using a PDF file, an Excel file, whatever file it is. So once you have found the file that you want to open, all you have to just tap on it. Once you have selected the file, you'll be greeted with their layout. As you can see here, you have the microphone option or the headset icon. That once you have enabled that option there, you pretty much can listen to the PDF file using AI. So it's crazy. You don't have to read it. If you're tired of reading, you can just tap on the headset icon on the top there, and it will pretty much read everything for you. So I'm going to stop on it here and do the voice option. It will take a while, do keep that in mind. Once it's finished,
simple and powerful,
as you can see here, will pretty much read out everything for you. You can even fast forward it. If it's moving a bit slow, okay, tap on it down here, so nothing much. So if you want to exit this option here, do tap on the exit icon at the bottom here, and you pretty much exit the voice option. So you have a lot of different features which you can use as it relates to this. As you can see, you have a lot of editing features here which you can use as well. If you do want the full screen option, just tap on this icon here. You get a much closer view of the PDF file. Pretty much a full screen. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for the PDF section, and this goes for any file that you're going to open. You can also edit it and so forth. So in the file section down here, you can also see files. You can look for files. Let's say you have an Excel file, you can look for it at the Excel section here. Any documents, any text, any images can be found in this section here. Also, you do get a 1 GB free storage which you can use for this application. And as well, you can access the files in your device by just tapping on this device, and it will search for if there's any files or any documents that they have missed. You can search for it for yourself. So that's really pretty much it for that there. In the discovery option, you have a lot of AI tools which you can use as it relates to this application. I can't go through everything, but if you do need information on something, please do comment below. But as you can see here, you have a lot of AI tools that you can use. All you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use, and you're pretty much good to go. They do offer image or background removal of images, and also the enhancer. Pretty much upscaling the images, make the images cleaner. You have the quality option here as well. A lot of features, guys. And as well, you can go in other tools, which you can also use. Other documents can turn that document into PDF or text on your paper. You're writing something on paper, you can scan it and pretty much turn that into a PDF file. As you can see, you have the document converter option there as well. You can turn, let's say, an Excel file into a PDF file. We can do that with this. You have the resume option here as well. And you have some other templates here which you can use as it relates to posters. There's just so much tools that can be used within this simple applications. Also, you have the premium subscription, which I've already been through and shown you guys the prices and everything. But if you can't find it over the section that I've shown you before, you can just tap on the premium option down here and be able to find it much more easier. So once you have selected the premium subscription you want, as you can see here, they do offer a 3 days free trial, so you can test out their premium subscription. So do keep in mind, some of these features are, if not most of these features, you're gonna need a subscription. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this application here. If I've missed anything at all, which I do, and if you do need help with something related to this application here, just comment below or leave a comment. I would gladly love to help you out. See you in the next one.